Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know that tomorrow FOMC is coming up. As a result, market is waiting. And market is hoping for rate hikes, as a result of which we can see recovery on the chart of US dollar index DXY, and market is still in recovery mode. There's a famous quote in the market: buy the rumor, sell the news. If that happens, then obviously market will get a big shock and we will get to see a big red candle tomorrow. But as of now, market is mostly waiting, as a result of which there is not much volatility in the market, not only in Euro USD but in other pairs also. So as a result of which, okay, you will not get to see a trending market till tomorrow. Mostly you will see the market is choppy, market is range bound, and in this type of market the best part is that the levels work nicely. Okay, if you are good with levels, then they work nicely because the market is not trending. So first of all, DXY. So as I said, the sentiment on DXY is a little bit bullish right now because market is hoping for rate hikes, and if that continues, then obviously we'll get to see further upside on the chart of dollar index. 101.50 is the first resistance and 102 is the second resistance on the chart of dollar right now. These are not big resistances with heavy sellers. These are simple Fibo retracement levels that may work as speed breakers. That's it. Okay, and before FOMC, I don't think so market will be showing a big red candle. Okay, let's wait and watch. And Euro USD is in downward channel right now. Okay, I have not drawn the channel here, but you can see that we can see euro dollar is trading in a channel right now. And if you look at the chart carefully, I'm on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that number of trading opportunities are not very high right now. Okay, little bit. Okay, things are, I was very critical. Okay, the number of opportunities are very less actually. If you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that here the previous support worked as resistance. Here the 50 moving average worked as dynamic resistance. Here also the 50 moving average have been working as dynamic resistance for quite some time. So in simple words, okay, you can find two opportunities here, not two opportunities, from two things. First of all, the 50 moving average, which is working as dynamic resistance for the market, and secondly, previous support acting as resistance. Clear? Now here, this was the previous bounce level and you can see market already crossed it. So this is not working here. Okay, and the next level on the chart of Euro USD is around this, which is 1.11. I will say let's consider it as 1110 to 1.1100. This is the next level on the chart of Euro USD, where you can expect the market to face some selling pressure. And obviously we can clearly see on the chart that whenever market is going up, it is facing resistance and it is going down, or in simple words, sell on rise. What? Sell on rise is the best trading strategy you can follow in this market. And in this situation right now, okay, 1.1110, this level, the previous resistance will be working as previous support will be working as resistance, and 1.1100 is the level here. And before that, market will also be facing some resistance around the 50 moving average. During the day, if market goes up, hits the 50 moving average and reverses, you can also look for a sell position. Similarly, if market goes up and market becomes a little bit volatile, and if you see that after hitting 1.1110, 1.1100, around this level, market is facing some selling pressure, market is struggling around this area, market is showing price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, sellers are present and you can look for a sell. Right now there is not much heavy volatility in the market right now, as a result of which we can expect the market to reverse. And if market behaves according to expectation, we can definitely look for a sell position. On the other hand, if market breaks this previous low here, 1.1055, if market breaks this low here, you can also look for a quick selling opportunity. Yesterday I told you guys that if you take a sell position, do not think that market will be going down crazy, because there was not much volume and volatility. Here also I'll say that if you take a sell position around 1.1055, if you get the opportunity, you can go for it, but do not expect a complete fall, because as you can clearly see right now, that market is mostly waiting for the news. There is not much volume in the market, so we can expect a 20-30 pips selling position. If you see that after 20-30 pips still the selling pressure is very high, then you can continue with the sell position. But there's a good chance that after going for 25 pips, market will go up again. If that happens, please exit from the sell position. But as of now, I'll just say that on the chart of Euro USD, not only in Euro USD, in all the USD pairs, the trading opportunities are very less because of less volatility in the market, and it is quite normal that before a big news, big event, market usually prefers to wait. And considering the present trend of the Euro USD, okay, we should be looking for sell on rise only. We can clearly see on the chart that price action is working here, previous supports are working as resistance, and also the 50 moving average have been working as dynamic resistance. So if market goes up and reverses from the 50 moving average or the 1.1110 level, okay, we can look for a sell. But on the other hand, if market breaks 1055 level because of bullishness on dollar, because dollar is bullish, okay, we can obviously look for a sell below 1.1055, the green line as well. But right now there's not much volume, there's not much volatility, so please be careful. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that we have a minor news coming up. Okay, this is not a big event for the market, but still there may be some volatility in the market. So during the US session, if market behaves abnormally, okay, okay, you can also skip the trade for the day. And mostly we'll get to see the levels working as of now. Market should not trend. So my dear friends, that's all from my side, and hopefully, okay, you got my point. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from you. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. And as I always say, my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. So do not gamble during the news time. Bye bye, take care.